Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making quick, enforceable rules so you can act now. First, pick specific phone windows and stick to them. This reduces decision fatigue and prevents endless scrolling. Once done, turn off non-essential notifications so interruptions no longer bait you back. Also prepare an immediate replacement activity, a 5 to 15-minute walk, a page of a book, or a short breathing exercise to handle the first cravings. These steps start shifting habits by changing friction and available choices. Now you restructure how and when the phone fits into your life. Batch messaging and social checks into 2-timed sessions. This prevents constant context switching and heightens focus. Make the device less enticing by enabling grayscale and imposing app timers. Once these limits hit, rewards diminish. Also create physical barriers. Leave the charger in another room and use Do Not Disturb during work or family time, because friction is your ally. These combined changes rewire cues and rewards, so your attention naturally shifts. To finish, you make the new patterns stick by tracking and adjusting. Log your screen time weekly and celebrate tangible drops, for example, a 30% reduction, which reinforces change. If you relapse, pause and identify the trigger, boredom, anxiety, or one tempting app, and tighten that specific rule. Then gradually expand phone-free windows, working toward a full day without social apps. If things go wrong, revert to the first slide. Reduce windows, increase friction, and lean on replacement activities until the habit stabilizes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.